Hi, my name is Hayden Valle, and today we're going to be going over the cow eye. I have a baby cow eye, and I'm going to answer the pre-lab questions that I have pulled up here on my desktop from the list of the structures to go over. So the first question is, what happens to the diameter of the right pupil when you briefly shine the flashlight into the right eye? So the eye will essentially, the diameter in the pupil will actually contract based on the amount of light that is shining through it. And then the second question is, through which structures, openings, and chambers of the eye does the light from the flashlight pass in order to reach the retina? So first, when the light passes through your lens, then it will then go through the optic nerve, and then from the optic nerve it goes to the prectal nucleus, and then from there it activates the retina, and then it moves along to the oculomotor nerve. And then the next question is, which structures serves as the sensor and effector in the pupillary light reflex? I'm going to go with the oculomotor nerve, being that is the main one from the optic nerve that sends on the signal. Which cranial nerves are required for the pupillary light reflex? So that would be your optic nerve and your oculomotive nerve. What happens to the diameter of the left pupil when you briefly shine the light into the right eye? Just as I said before, no matter which eye the light is shining through, both eyes should, and the diameter should contract when the light passes through. Okay, now moving along to the structure of the eye. I've already cut it out, which was pretty extensive because of the tissue, I would say tissue in the muscle. So then get in a little bit closer as I'll try to shine this light to get a little better view. All right, so here on the outside, I'm gonna flip it back up right quick. All right, as you can see, this is the whole actual eye. All right, and when we open it up, okay, when we open it up, you can see our lens right here, which is this little bulb right here. This is our lens, and then our extrinsic eye muscle, which is like towards back this way. As you can see, the muscle back that way on the end. And then we have our retina, which is this little boy right there, okay? And then the sclera, which is right up here, along with your choroid in this area. And then your iris, which would be the portion right here. This is your iris, okay? And then the pupil is this portion on the outside. And let's see, we went over the pupil. Yeah, the pupil. You've got your iris, you've got your lens, you've got your retina, you've got your choroid, and your sclera, which is right up here as well. And then the cornea up here, okay? And then the extrinsic eye muscle, that is up here, that little pink-like structure up here. All right, and the optic nerve. All right, let's see if we can actually see a nerve. So, let's see if I can see one. Alright, so I can't visually see the optic nerve. But it should be in this region. Just not visually able to see it, unless, no, that's not the nerve. Should be in this region though. All right, And that will complete the dissection of the cow eye.